There it is. It's a little earlier than I thought it'd be. And I think it's going to be on TV. You see it's only 118. Whoa. Come on. There. I don't know, because this is antenna. Yeah, I know it's a weird spot for an antenna, but... it was on the floor. That's the only spot I could think of putting it that wouldn't be permanent, so... But I guess I'll wait for it to go on the TV now, too. I think it's going to go on this TV. I'm not on cable, though, so it's antenna, so I'm not 100% sure. But I think it will go on there, but I'm not 100% sure.
Early evening, mainly northwest of the... And now the extended outlook for the period...
I don't know if it is going to go on the TV or not. I thought it was going to, but I'm not 100% sure. Although I think the TVs take a little bit longer too. Oh, there it is. There it is.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
Some people just know that's not going to fit. Those are the people who know to choose Allstate.
That's not going to fit. What's that? You need another 4 inches. You work here? No. I just saw you there and I thought I'd save you the trouble.
Nana, she's a human measuring tape and she knows Allstate is the right fit for her.
It's not going to fit.
That was pretty cool. Here, well. Trying to switch my input. Back to a PlayStation. That was pretty cool. Sorry I kind of missed it on the phone. It was a little bit earlier than I was expecting it to be, but... oh my gosh, you stupid camera. Oh, there it is. That was pretty cool. Alright, well, that's going to end this video.